Hi guys, welcome to the Bashcom Tech Data Science class. Today we'll be talking about Python and Anaconda. What is the relationship between Python and Anaconda? Uh, what makes Anaconda unique and different from other distributions of Python? Now, my name is Bashcom instructor for today. So today, if you're a beginner or you are new into the world of Python and data analytics, welcome to our class today. Now we'll be talking about Anaconda, what makes it unique and what makes it number one distributor of Python. Now, today we'll be focusing on not just an intro, but we'll be doing the podcast step of downloading and installing what Python Anaconda. Now, the main focus is on what Anaconda. That's the $1 million question. Anaconda is the what is a data science platform for data scientists, IT professionals, and business leaders of tomorrow. It's a distributor of Python and what R programming. It allows the incorporation of different packages when it is installed. It is the foremost database tool. Now, when you install Python Anaconda, what are the different components that you see? You see the Python software itself, you see the NumPy, you see Pandas, you see SciPy, you see Matplotlib, you see R programming, and much more. Now, when Anaconda is installed, let me show you the graphical view of what are the components that will be what's installed. Now, this is the dashboard of the Anaconda platform. You see that apart from Python, SciPy, you are seeing different packages. There are up to 300 data analyst tools within one software, and that's what make Python Anaconda very, very unique. Now, what makes Anaconda different from other from the traditional Python software? Anaconda allows installation of multiple packages at once, but the traditional Python does not. That one allows one by one installation and involves different settings. It's more cumbersome. Another big advantage of Anaconda that it allows use of Python libraries, NumPy, SciPy, Jupyter, and much more. Another big thing that you should know about Anaconda it is great and easy to use for beginners coming to data science. So today the world has evolved in such a way that when you install the Anaconda software, you can use it for all the basic features that you need in Python software for machine learning, data analytics, and for Python fundamentals also. As I said before, Anaconda is the data science platform for data scientists, and Anaconda is an open source software also, meaning that it is free. Now today we'll be talking about how to download and install the software. So let's go right in and let's see how we go about